Hey everyone, in this tutorial we will learn how to add, edit, and remove comments in Excel cells using IronXL in C#. Before we start, make sure you have the IronXL installed. You can easily get it from the NuGet Package Manager. I have already added to my project. First, import the IronXL namespace and set the license key in your program.cs file. So we start by creating a new workbook and choosing the default worksheet, then selecting specify cells like A1 and D1. To add a comment, we use the AddComment function. In A1, we insert the text Hello World with the author John Doe. In D1, we add a visible comment without any content. Finally, we save the file as AddComment.xlsx, which now contains our newly added comment. Next, let's see how to retrieve and edit a comment. We load the file AddComment and select the default worksheet. Then we grab cell A1 and access this content property. From here, we update the author to Jane Doe, change the content to by world, and also make the comment clearly visible. Finally, we save the workbook as edit comment with the updated content included. Then let's go through on how to remove a comment. We begin by loading the file AddComment and selecting the default worksheet. From there, we grab the cell A1, which already contains a comment, and call it the remove comment function to delete it. Finally, we save the workbook as removecomment.xlsx, where the comment has been completely removed from that cell. Now let's run the program and wait for the processing to finish. The files are successfully created with the comments. Now let's open the files one by one. So the add comment shows the original comment by John Doe. Edit comment has the updated comment and replaced by Jane Doe. And remove comment has no comment left in the cell A1. And that's it. We have just learned how to add, edit, and remove comments in Excel cells using IronXL. IronXL makes Excel file manipulation simple and powerful without needing Microsoft Excel installed. Keep exploring to discover more of these amazing features. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. To get started with IronXL, please sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. You can click in the link below in the description and you can try for yourself.